Hello everybody, today I'm going to be cleaning the Samsung flat screen CRT. This thing, as you can tell, is very dirty. Looks like it's been to hell and back. So, let's get started. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be really nice once we're done. Today, to clean the TV, I'm going to be using a toothbrush, some paper towels, Windex, and a leaf blower. You'll see why I'll need the leaf blower soon. Wow, look at all that crud on that paper towel. Gross. I used the leaf blower to blow out all of the dust and all of the cracks and crevices and little small spots that I couldn't get with the paper towel. Right here, I'm using this toothbrush to clean out all the dirt that I couldn't get with the leaf blower, so the CRT is as clean as possible. Now, I'm going to test the clean CRT by hooking it up and testing it with this PlayStation 2. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like.